Hey guys, welcome to Cop Car Survival Guide. My name's Fly.
I want to go to Bora Bora, but I'm Pora. Today, we're going to teach you the most important aspect of surviving in the woods.
Hiding.
But first, we need to hear something from our sponsor. Welcome them to the stage.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Hi guys, I'm the owner of Yum Yum's Edible Camouflage.
The key component to hiding is applying camouflage.
Which is why we have Yum Yum Edible Camouflage with us.
Once you have achieved camouflage, the next step is to break. Once you break, you have to look around. This will ensure that you found the perfect hiding spot. Look over here. If you are confused,
Here are some examples.
So what does it taste like? Pora, what are you doing?
I can't find a hiding spot.
If you're having trouble finding a hiding spot, trees are always the best option. Alright, there you have it folks, the ultimate guide to
Hiding.
in the wilderness.
Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.